Boy Tapang.
No, she don't want. You don't like it.
That's Boy Tapang. You know Boy Tapang? A famous vlogger here in Cebu. That's Boy Tapang.
Buta pang?
Boy Tapang in North. That's Boy Tapang in North. Boy Muklo.
Boy, sapayan. Welcome ba?
Boy, sa payan. Kuhan mo na. Ay, welcome din.
Oh, Bisaya. Bisaya pa yan.
Okay, sa payan.
Ah,
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.
Little bit. It's euro. Good. Ahmad.
Sir of the officer was like to do. Sir Muklo. Ilan ka ko sila? Ilan ka sila day?
Hindi, laay. Ako na nagkikuha na. Oh. Ah. Kaong na eh.
Grabe tako kayo day.
Sukugan ko ba?
Tako bang. Ay, dubig ito. Ay, pitsil ito.
Pitsil ba?
Dala na lang oh.
Wala, giyasa mo dira.
Baso ay.
Ano, merkatero?
Uy, baso. Uy, pitsil dito.
Uy, balik.
Pwede mo?
Badi.
Bari. Uy!
Ayo, badi.
Bari! Sumut-buto. Mas pati dan lagi.
Sulit lang lang ito mga pares pa.
Ay, guman pa Manila. Badi. Abot.
Ay, lagi. Sumudi guys. Nandiyan ko Jack.
Badi, badi.
Ilan ba?
Badi, na marag naman ka badi.
With our friends from Germany. We're exactly from Germany, sir.
Hamburg.
Hamburg?
Yeah.
Really in the north.
Badi.
You know it?
Northern part.
Yeah.
Looking body there.
Have you been to Germany once?
No, I haven't been there.
Would you like to?
Yeah, someday.
What cities do you know? What cities do you want to go?
Hamburg.
Badi. Dogs.
Nowadays.
About vlogging.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Berlin's very crowded too. I like the southern part.
Yeah. More beautiful nature.
Yes.
Like mountains.
With the